I'm Dr. Brooke Johnson, and I'm a geologist working in the Early Life Traces and Astrobiology lab at the University of Liège in Belgium. My main research focus is on the formation and deposition of phyllosilicate-rich rocks. I'm interested in understanding how these sediments and the processes that form them influence the Proterozoic and Archean fossil record. I use a variety of methods to understand how different minerals and deposition environments help preserve organic matter and organic walled fossils called acritarchs. One of the main ways I achieve this is through high-resolution imaging and microscopy studies of these ancient sedimentary sequences. For example, by combining traditional sedimentology and petrography techniques and microscopy with things like electron microscopy and in situ geochemistry. I've been finishing up a large-scale study of an exceptionally well-preserved mid-Proterozoic sedimentary sequence from Australia. And I'm in the early stages of looking for fossils in some extremely well-preserved Paleoarchean rocks from South Africa that were freshly drilled in the last couple of years, and they're already providing some really interesting data. Both of these sites could be used as analogues for the Noachian of Mars, and so as well as helping us understand the early evolution of life on Earth and how that life gets preserved in the fossil record, these sites are also helping us understand how we might find signs of ancient life on other rocky planets in the solar system.